And welcome back, continuing the news. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, how special effects makeup changed a young woman's life. Kayan Morgan has her story.
Beauty or gore, you name it, Jessica Morris can create it. With the special effects, of course. It's a newfound passion turned business, which stemmed from a bout of struggle and pain. At the age of 21, Jessica's discovery of special effects makeup was what pulled her out of a dark abyss of depression.
We have this point in our life, whether you're younger, older, where eventually you feel as if you should be doing more with your life. I got depressed, overwhelmed, started to be hard on myself, not looking at the current situation or the blessings that I had at the moment.
Jessica's depression was so bad, she started to harm herself.
I did not want to be here. I felt like I was without purpose. And being where I'm at now, I do know that that's what the devil tends to do, especially when you're meant for greatness.
A greatness she discovered one night after tearfully praying on her knees.
After that prayer, I felt like this burden lifted off my shoulder. Less than 5 minutes after taking up my phone, I came across this DIY video showcasing special effects makeup, and I was like, oh, this is really cool.
And by the next day, Jessica was practicing on herself.
The first makeup I did was actually a slit wrist, and that is what I did post on the internet, and everybody was creating excitement over it.
This motivated her to start her business, Jessie Effect.
People started saying, oh, you should go to Hollywood. At the time, I didn't notice what special effects was. I'm new to it. I did want to be a doctor, but the self-doubt, took me off that path.
It's been 4 years since, and Jessica has not returned to that dark place. As for the business,
it's a process because I have to pave my own way, especially here in Jamaica. But I told myself, especially looking at it from God's perspective, is He gave me this gift. There was a lot of nights when I stayed up doing wounds on myself. And the biggest question was, how am I going to benefit from what I'm doing? And that's when everyone started to come.
Jessica, who is also a licensed barber, has used her talent to help others like musicians tell their story. She hopes that sharing hers will help others rise above their doubts.
Growth is not always comfortable. You have to come out of your comfort zone. Cry if you have to cry, because that don't mean you're weak, and just definitely lean to God.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kayan Morgan.